I'm in a better position now as a DevOps engineer in L2 position in one of the leading organizations in bank.
So Naveen, tell us about something about yourself and your background and your skill set.
Yeah, sure. So myself, Naveen, I have completed my BE engineering in EEE Electrical and Electronics Engineering. So in that, like during my course and afterwards, I got more interested in much of in computers. So I did a course initially I did a course in system administration initially. So I started my career as a desktop support engineer. So from there, I gone to the next step as a system administrator, where I have been the only person who's take care of the entire infrastructure duties in the entire organization. That is a startup, but even though we have 150 users, so I will be the only person who's taking care of the entire infrastructure duties. So then I wanted to make my career to the next level. So I thought of moving my career into a DevOps engineer. So which is like more in near future, everything will be into automation. So like in the infrastructure also, it is also going to be a automation thing. So I just wanted to make my career into a DevOps engineer. So I searched for the courses and everywhere and self-learning and everything I did, and I'm in a better position now as a DevOps engineer in L2 position in one of the leading organizations in bank.
Which course you have enrolled, and also what was the objective of the course? Can you let us know?
Yeah, sure. So I take up a course called DevOps training, which is a weekly class. Like this course can be attended in day-to-day activities. Alongside with it, I can able to learn the course. So which is scheduled in the early morning shift. I taken with the course. If anything I have missed, I can able to recall it on the LMS platform in the IntelliPath as well. So like we don't need to really drop off from the job and get into a course, then make it career to a next level. It's better we can work on the organization and we can able to learn. That is one of the biggest advantage I see here. So I have taken up this course, and the main objective is that learn more about the DevOps life cycle. I wanted to know from where we are starting and where we are ending in the DevOps. So I want to learn the entire cycle of the DevOps engineer. So that was the core objective of the course. So I think IntelliPath did it very well in that part.
Okay. And as you know, in the market, there are a lot of resources. There are a lot of other platforms as well. So why did you choose, IntelliPath over others?
So yeah, before I taken up this course, I did a lot of research on the internet, like a lot of reviews and in the Google platform on in your websites and everything, and the reviews that I seen in over the places were like it's more of positive things, and the training was more of in a practical way. That is one of the major thing. Most of the platforms lagging on that front. Mm-hmm. So if it is not a practical front, if it is in a theoretical way, in the job front we will be struggled at some point. So that is more I liked about this IntelliPath. So I taken up this course on the here. So like it's a practical session, and about the reviews about the trainers, there are the people are have much industrial knowledge practically. So that is one of the major advantage on that. And with respect to cost effective also, it is very much comfortable for each and everyone. They can able to afford the price. So that is what the main reason.
Right. And how was your experience with the instructors or the trainers?
Yeah, the instructor was very good actually. So she can able to clear all the doubts that we all came across alongside the course, as well as we get to talk to the trader about some of the doubts that we have in the practical career part as well. So that's what helped us to understand more about the technology that we are having.
So tell us about your success story. This is one of my favorite questions. So tell us about your success story.
Yeah, okay, sure. So in the previous organization that I was working, as I said earlier, I was the system administrator who is taking care of the entire infrastructure. So that time, the organization is planning to build an it's a cloud automation platform. It's a own product that they are planning to launch. That time they wanted me to do with the performance that I gave in the system administration front. They wanted to give me a chance to be a DevOps engineer for them. to analyze the products in the entire industry about how cloud automation that we can implement on with others compared to others, what we can additionally give into them. So I did a research on that. During the time only I taken up this course. So before that I wanted to know what is actually DevOps. Before, if that is not, I was not able to understand, and I cannot deliver what our team requires. So I taken up this course. I get a more knowledge about it, and I did a very well in my previous organization. So after some point, I just wanted to move to my another organization. So I taken up a lot of interviews even during this course itself. I get to have a lot of interviews, and even that time I have 4 offer letters with me before I complete this course. So due to some, even with the higher packages, I chose one of the low package. Like, it's not low package, one of the middle level package that due to some personal reasons, as well as that point will be helpful for me to go in higher level in the future. So I taken up that in the another organization, which is in Coimbatore. Yeah.
Okay, I'm really happy for you. So can you describe Intellipart in one sentence?
In one sentence, I would say it's a great platform, to get a knowledge which is not only in a theoretical way. You can get more knowledge on practical, and you won't get disappointed.
Okay. And how was your experience with the Intellipart support team?
Yeah, they are very much helpful actually. So even during the assignments the trainers would have given, if we got any doubts, we would have reached out them at any time and get the doubts clarified with the support team, and submit the courses and everything. That was very much helpful.
Okay. So Naveen, I'm really happy for you, and thank you for being a part of Intellipart family, and thank you so much for your time, and have a great day.